Do you want to use your mobile device to share your location to your friend on WhatsApp? You will be able to send one-time ping of your present location or share your live location for up to 8 hours at a time. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to share location on WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp. Then open the inbox you want to share location to. Tap on paperclip icon in the conversation. A pop-up will appear with a lot of options. Tap on location. Now tap on send your current location. So that is how you share location on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.